Hey friends, thanks for joining me. So I had an issue. We have created all of our benches to weld on, and some of them were made very quickly. And so some of them lack the rigidity that provides a steady platform in order to fasten a weld to, in order for you to do it successfully. And so we had this issue recently arose. The student said, man, this thing moves all around. And so I said, all right, I'll fix it. And so I'm going to add some rigidity to this frame, this structure, so when we do our vertical welding or our overhead welding, we can have a solid, secure platform to weld from that's not moving around. So I'm going to use a 6010 electrode, an 1/8 inch, and I'm going to weld it in the vertical up position and just basically create an edge weld where I'm taking those two sides, and it's not really a butt joint, but it's more like an edge weld. I'm going from corner to corner of those pieces, and I'm going to really get some rigidity in here by adding that second piece. I'm basically creating like an L channel or an L bracket, or like two sides of an I-beam almost. So, or a C channel, whatever you would like to call it. And so I'm just tacking it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and weld it and provide a more secure platform in order for the students to weld on. And so you can watch my technique and tell me in the comments where I did not do a very good job, because we all have areas to improve on. I tell my students all the time, good welders are people that weld all the time, and I don't get that much welding practice. So I like to take the opportunity to do these little projects when I have a chance. So thanks so much for watching, friends. I'll let you go ahead and continue to watch the video, and you comment and tell me how I could improve. Thanks so much for watching.